Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Edna here, and in today's video I want to show you how you can submit your website to Google Sitemap. So if you're using an Android phone, you're using a laptop, you're using an iPhone, you're using a tablet, it doesn't matter, the process is the same. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by to watch my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos once again. I really appreciate that. And if you're returning to watch my videos but you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Thank you. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your web browser. I'm using Chrome browser. You type Google Search Console. Enter. Then you click on the first link that you see written Google Search Console. Then you click on Start Now. I'm going to click on this three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Click on Sitemap. So make sure you're logged into your Google account while you're doing this. So if this is the first time you're submitting your website to Google Sitemap, you're going to see two options. You're going to see the domain option. You're also going to see the URL prefix. So if you have a custom domain like www.google.com, www.apple.com, that is your custom domain. But if your domain is free, like you're using the free Shopify domain, for example, your website name .myshopify.com, then you make use of the URL prefix. But if you're using custom domain, you make use of the domain section. So that's where you're going to add your website. So once you do that, Google is going to send you a text record. So you're going to copy that entire code that is given to you. Copy the entire code. So once you copy that code, you are going to take that code to your website. I am using Shopify for this video tutorial, so you are going to take it to your Shopify store. Right now I'm my Shopify's back end, so you're going to click on the lower right hand corner of your screen. You will see three horizontal lines. Click there, then go ahead and click on settings, and then you scroll down and look for domains. Click on it. So once you are there, you're going to click on your custom domain, this place that says actions. Click on it and then select DNS settings. Click there. So once you are here, you click on add custom records. Then you select text record. It's that code that you copied here and save them again. DNS record successfully added. So we've added our DNS record. Now we are going back to our Google Chrome browser. Then you click on verify. Click on verify. It says ownership verified, which means it has been successful. Click on done. So guys, the third step is to go back to Google Search Console and click on the left horizontal button at the top left corner of your screen. Now go and look for sitemaps and click on it. Now they say add a new sitemap. So to enter a new sitemap, enter your store URL slash this sitemap URL, just like this, your storename.com slash sitemap.xml. This is how it is. Click submit. It says submitting sitemap. As you can see, sitemap submitted successfully. So they say Google will periodically process it and look for changes. You'll be notified if anything goes wrong with it in the future. So you have submitted it successfully. So when you come down here under submitted sitemap and you see status couldn't fetch, it's probably that Google is trying to propagate your website, and maybe within a day or two you come back and you see the status as success. This is how you can submit your website to Google Sitemap. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos you'll be the first to get notified. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.